In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade ERPNext. Whether you're new to Frappe Cloud or a seasoned user, upgrading your ERPNext to the latest version is essential to ensure you have access to the newest features, security updates, and improvements. So, let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll need to log into your account on frappecloud.com. If you haven't saved your login details, be sure to have them handy so you can access your workspace without any hassle. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Take a moment to look around if you'd like, but we're going to focus on finding the site dashboard where the magic happens. Now, note your site dashboard is where you manage all of your site configurations. From here, you'll have a comprehensive view of your site's settings and can make upgrades or changes as needed. So, go ahead and navigate to the site dashboard. Once you've reached your site dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There's a button labeled Actions. This button is crucial as it houses several options you'll use to manage your site, including the one we need today: upgrading ERPNext. Click on the Actions button to proceed. After clicking on Actions, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various choices. Among these options, you'll find Upgrade. Selecting the Upgrade option will direct you to the next phase of updating your system. Make sure to take a quick breath before clicking, as this marks the beginning of the actual upgrading process. Once you've clicked Upgrade, you might see various versions of ERPNext available for selection. It's crucial to choose the version that's right for your business needs. If there's more than one version, read up on the features and enhancements of each one. Opt for the latest stable version to ensure optimal functionality, or choose another version if it integrates better with your current systems. As you finalize your decision, click to confirm your choice. Doing so will initiate the upgrade process. Depending on the size of your database and the specific details of the upgrade itself, the system might take some time to finish the process. Be patient, as the system works best uninterrupted. During this time, you can grab a cup of tea or coffee, knowing your ERPNext is well on its way to being upgraded with the latest features and security enhancements. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the upgrade process for ERPNext. By following these straightforward steps, you've ensured your system is up to date and running smoothly. Regular upgrades keep your system secure and efficient, and now, with this new version installed, you're all set to explore its new capabilities. Thanks for joining today, and happy managing.